Hi, Nina here, and as you can see, I've just edited the lips in this image. What I want to do is remove the distractions in that lip gloss. So create a new blank layer, call that healing layer. With the healing brush tool, I change the blending mode to darken. By doing this, I'm only impacting on the bright pixels within that selected area or the area that I'm healing over. This approach I actually use when working with a photographer, a newborn photographer, and they've asked me to remove some of the flaky skin on the newborn. I can quickly and effectively remove that flaky skin in a non-destructive way. And if I make a mistake, I've got that new blank layer there that I can go back to and delete if I've gone too far. As you can see, it's been quite quick and effective. I don't lose any texture, and the bright pixels have been removed. Now for the darker areas, I did change the blending mode to lighten, but I felt that I wasn't getting the results that I wanted to get. So I changed the blending mode back to normal, and I just make my way around, as you can see, normal, and I make my way around the lip. If I want to clean this up further, I could do some dodge and burning, probably will, but this is just some pixel work before I get to that step of healing and removing those distractions. And as you can see, I think it looks a whole lot better than what we started off with. We don't have those bright areas where our eye tends to focus on as a viewer. So let's have a look at it before and after, and it looks cleaner, polished look.